Guys, it's Aziz. I want to show you another application today. Today I got a wallpaper based application. So this one's made by Chainfire. It's called 500 Firepaper. If you haven't heard of this dev, he's basically done a lot of root related work, and he's also got some other awesome applications like Super Sue, Mobile Odin. So what this application does, instead of your original wallpaper or live wallpapers, this one's slightly different. So what it is, it's a live wallpaper, but instead of moving around, what it does is actually changes the wallpaper itself every time you set it to. So I've set it to every time I go to my home screen, it will change the wallpaper. So now you got that one, it's changed. You go back in, it's changed again, it's changed again. So you get the idea. So if you go into the application, so as soon as you open the application, this is what you have. So you've got like the copyright information. You can upgrade to Pro. It's a free application with in-app purchases. Here's history browser. These are the applications basically previously set your wallpaper to. Then you can have the option to update over Wi-Fi. So if you got unlimited internet, like your the internet on your sim is unlimited, you can have this unchecked. But you know, if you got limited, like just say for example you got 1 gig, because it does pull it from the internet, it pull it from a certain website. It's not stored locally on your phone or anything. That's why you need internet connection. So if you have a limited amount of, actually I can uncheck this because I've got unlimited internet on my phone. So here, so obviously they've got, since it's from a certain website, 500 pics. You could choose what kind of wallpapers you want. So here it says the feature, which one to feature. You can have popular, upcoming, editor choice, etc, etc. Then these are the actual categories. So on default, I've left everything on default. It's got nature and landscape, but obviously you can choose which ones you like. And it takes a bit of time to actually change it, like the actual settings for it to take place. But yeah, after like a couple of minutes, it will actually change to the ones that you chose. Then you got some extra settings here. Triple tap to open history browser. What that basically means is when you're on a certain when you're on your home screen and you like the certain wallpaper, you could just triple tap and it will take you to the actual wallpaper. So here you got some more settings here. You could delete it. You could obviously pin it, and you could go to the actual website or the web page that this wallpaper was featured in. So just let it load. So he'll give you the more details of the actual wallpaper itself. So here you got the interval. So this is saying exactly basically when it should change the wallpaper. So I've got it to every time you go to the home screen or home display, but you could put it to every time you turn the screen off as well. So if I've hidden my status bar. So as you can see, it changed again. So you get the gist. Every time I turn my screen off, it will go to a new one. So obviously you can set it to exactly when you want it to change the wallpaper. You got 24 hours. Then you got grayscale. So you will just turn it black and white. So if you tick that, it should have turned, yeah, I think it's turned black and white. Yeah, as you can see, all the wallpapers are black and white now. Then you got your brightness. You can change the brightness around. Just leave it roughly there. You can blur the wallpapers also. That's what I like about this wallpaper, you know, I mean this application. It's got tons of settings. Even for the free version, it's got quite a few settings. Obviously, do bear in mind that the more settings you add to the default, it's probably going to take a bit more time to load. You can oversaturate also. You got the parallax effect, and you've also got some more options over here. I don't go to everything. Then you've got daydream options. It's basically one of the new features that Google incorporated in one of the previous Android versions. So you got the settings here. Then you got miscellaneous settings here. Clear history. So it does cache the pictures, the previous pictures in your phone. So basically you can clear it out. So if you see it's taking too much space, you can clear the cache, and you can also clear the history. And here the developer's just got a link to his other application, and you can follow him. So overall guys, it's a very good application. I certainly do like it. That's why I thought I'd do a video of it. One thing I really like about this application is with this application you never need to basically download other wallpapers every now and again, because no matter which wallpaper you have, after a while or after a couple of days you do end up getting bored of it. So this sort of eliminates that. Take grayscale off, add the brightness to 100. As you can see, lovely wallpapers. The quality is actually very good in these wallpapers. I've actually really liked it. There's you can't save the wallpapers to your device, to your device locally. That's because the APIs don't allow it. The website that he gets it from, they don't allow it unless you buy the pro version. Then you can keep it for a certain period of time. Do check this out. It's a free application. Obviously, it's got in-app purchases, but yeah, it's obviously also good to help the developer out, especially Chainfire. He's done some awesome applications. He does so much work for the Android community. So yeah, guys, do check this web application out, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.